Hi, I'm going to make a batch of chocolate chip cookies real quick. On about 2 1/4 cup. About 2 1/4. Teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. And salt. Don't use kosher salt for the baking cookie part. Put that as a top on top. Sprinkle that on top if you want. Right before you bake the cookie. That out of the way. We're moving on to the sugar and butter mix. About 3/4 cup of brown, or a little more. 3/4 cup of brown. Same in white. Softened butter. You've got yourself your sugars. Stand mixers are better, but hey, here's what you got. Do this by hand, as long as you make a cookie. We're gonna need to add 2 eggs and about what they call for about a teaspoon of vanilla. I add more. Hold on while I get the eggs. We already know I'm done with this. That's why I can put the eggshells in there. Alright. Tool. Blend the eggs in. This is when you want to add your vanilla. A little more than a teaspoon. It's probably closer to a tablespoon I put in there. Which, a little strong, but I like the full earthen. The more you use, the more you get. So you get a nice creamy consistency like that. Not frothy. You don't want it to be too frothy because at that point you've kind of made yourself a paste. Flour, your salt, baking soda now. Sprinkle it on in. Low setting. Get it blended. You know what I should have done? Let me do this real quick. Damn it. What a mess. Don't worry, it's a clean kitchen towel, so it's okay that food fell on it. That's risky right there, because that stuff could fly everywhere. Don't need this now. Put that in your pile of washings. Next, you get your chocolate chips. Now, the reason the second cup is out here because they require about 2 cups of chocolate chip. About 2 cups is, in fact, this whole thing. So, I should say 2 cups or, what is the actual measurement here? 12 ounces. Get tools, use them. Dump them all in. Grab something to churn it with. Just turn it in. At this point, you just got your dough ready to go. You can either start rolling this into balls for making your cookies, or forming it into whatever, cake pan. Maybe you want to do a cookie cake or something like that. Chill it for a while. You can even add this topper to ice cream. If you just got some plain vanilla ice cream, you want some chocolate chip cookie dough kick, just throw some chilled cookie dough in it, go ahead and eat it. I say it's okay to eat because even though there's raw egg in there, you've blended that with so many other food items that the rawness of the egg is spread out a bit, and we're going to keep it chilled. So we're never going to let it stay at room temperature. We're going to keep it chilled at freezing temperature. There's not going to be any room for the bacteria to grow. If eating this and using this within the next 3 to 4 days. If you want it longer, freeze the whole roll of it. I suggest making a roll of it like you would buy your Pillsbury premix stuff. Anyway, chocolate chip cookie dough. Thanks.